Hello, I'm here at the Mariner Center and I just took a shower. This is the last leg of our almost 8 hour stopover here in Qatar, and I'm enjoying free tea. This is chamomile, and I also have a cheese platter. And yogurt for breakfast. Okay, so while waiting for the flight, I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. And if you're a seaman, or if you're a seafarer that has a stopover here in Qatar, I would definitely suggest going to the Mariners Lounge. They have free food at all times. There's shower room, smoking area, television room. They have so many free stuff. I do love my yogurt. Hopefully when I get on board, or when I go back on board, the food is decent. Because I've heard some news that there isn't much to eat during the 10-day quarantine. So let's hope for the best. Oh, I forgot, I just brushed my teeth. Oh, I forgot to grab some crackers. Give me one moment. Okay, so I just grabbed some crackers and let me continue eating my breakfast. Let's enjoy some cheese. Forgot to grab some tissue. And some pork. Some brie. We have a couple of almonds and walnuts. Okay, so also have walnuts. Some other type of cheese that I forgot. Too much.
Wala rin doon, baka minum doon.
Okay, so I got fruits. I have melon. Nice papaya. Three slices of melon. And that is it for breakfast. Just gonna finish my tea.